Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Cardano, and then we'll end it with Avalanche at number 10. Let's get straight into it. BTC against USDT. So last week, we were predicting BTC to continue towards 49,000. I'm not saying it won't, but, okay, let's just replay. So if you go back in time, this was a very nice symmetrical triangle breakout that came, but it was actually a fake out, which means a fake breakout where we slept back under the support. It was a resistance. Once broken becomes support. We got set back down under the support, and after that, we had a rally. But the point is, we just took out the structure of the symmetrical triangle. So we're just gonna consider this as an invalidated pattern for now. I'm not saying can't go any higher, but we want to, we are classical chart pattern traders, so we always look for chart patterns, and this is what you call an invalidated symmetrical triangle because we got slapped back down because we took out the lows over here. So if we were to adjust, okay, no, wait, hang on. So we have to X this first. Invalidated 49,000. Not saying it can't go up, but it's invalidated, because of this little week down. Not little week, but this week down. Anyway, the point is, we can still adjust things a little bit here and there, but okay, it's no longer what I would consider as a proper chart pattern. So anyway, oh wait, I need to leave this here. Okay, I need to leave this here. So it's no longer any kind of a chart pattern, right? If you look over here, this was something like a rising wedge. Could we get something like a broadening? No. This is just, I'm not so sure what this is, but the point is we're in a consolidation and we're anticipating more upside. Right? There were rumors going around that the Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved this Wednesday. Today's Monday, which is in 2 days' time. So one of two things is going to happen. We're either going to go parabolic or we're going to collapse lower if the rumors prove to be not true. So again, we're not entirely sure, but we do expect volatility. So I think a smart thing to do would be to have some buy orders below and some sell orders at the top, right? To open shorts, right? Of course, you can also go short from here if things don't look well, but you have to be very fast. Or if things do look good, you go long. Again, we're not entirely sure, so that's why we have to take things one step at a time. But from a trading perspective, yeah, I would do this. This would be much safer, right? Go short here or go long here. Wait for the move to happen first, then we'll catch it, right? Either over here or over here. So again, we're still not entirely sure. There's no game plan for BTC yet. We're just gonna wait patiently for Wednesday to come along and see how it goes. Ethereum against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum. Okay, I'm very scared. Even when the BTC ETF is approved, I fear that Ethereum BTC could see a big collapse down. This is not good. This is really not good. How low could it go? Okay, I'm not too sure. We'll probably take out these lows though, right? At around 0.029, potentially. Bam! Before we reverse back up. But, in the bigger scheme of things, right? This is a beautiful ABCD in the making. It's just that we prolong ETH's rise against BTC. So again, in my opinion, I'd preach caution. We could also just zip back up from here, but no confirmation yet. Things are still, behaving in a very weak manner. The price is behaving in a weak manner, so we want to see some strength first before committing into anything for ETHBTC. Against USD, Ethereum is also still in a consolidation, but if BTC ETF is approved, then very likely you're going to see BTC overperform compared to everyone else, which means that ETH could still be rising. It's just that BTC will be rising faster. You see that? So that's why ETHBTC could be dropping. So it just tells you that the coin that everyone should be in is BTC, not ETH, not any other. Probably there'll be outliers that will perform better than BTC, but in my opinion, I think that everything should be rising. It's just that BTC is going to rise faster. Is this a bearish reversal chart pattern? No. Does this look like a bullish continuation? Potentially, but not really though, to be honest. This is something like a inverse head and shoulders, something like that. Left shoulder here, head, right shoulder, something like that. Not exactly high quality. Again, something like a falling channel as well. Broke out. Something like a symmetrical as well. Out, but in and out again. So it's like, you still feel weakness on Ethereum. So that's why we still respect the 666 target. We still think that Ethereum could drop to 666, right? I mean, if you just pull a support across, it's a rising wedge. Rising wedges break lower. So will Ethereum drop to 666? I don't know. It's not impossible, but the further along we go towards the upside, then more likely than not, this is not going to be hit. More likely than not, we will go to 3,000 and then potentially 4,000, right? Is Ethereum a good project? Yes, of course it is. So again, we have no strong opinions for Ethereum. Not at this point of time. BNB. Hey, yo, bro. BNB against BTC. Here we are for BNB. We hit the resistance. Look at this. Head and shoulders. Broke the support. Rose back up, hit resistance. We still have our target over here. So we were saying, take out this right shoulder. Take out the top of the right shoulder. We'll consider this entire thing invalidated, right? But until then, we will continue to respect the 0.004658 target for BNB against BTC. We could still zip lower. Again, BTC ETF approved. Zoom. We drop. Right. BTC solo rise and leaves everyone in the dust. Potentially. Again, we'll have to see how it goes on Wednesday, Thursday first. All right. BNB against USDT. Here we are for BNB. Okay, BNB is also above the skinny pink line, which means that the bullish trend is still on. We're in some sort of a consolidation. So if BTC rises, it's going to pull everyone up together with it. So we could also see BNB rise higher, and we could see the invalidation of the bearish chart patterns. Bearish targets for the USD pair. BTC pair still remains, but the USD pair could be invalidated. So yeah, these are all the tiny little nuances that you have to attention to detail. You have to observe both charts and to know what's happening, in the overall markets. Feels to me like BTC could be the one who is overperforming everyone else. Next would be Solana. Sol against BTC. Here we are for Solana. Are we still in a bullish trend? Yes. We're above the skinny pink line? Yes. Bullish trend? Yes. Can we count the waves? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this the end? Does this look like an end to you? No. No, it doesn't look like an end. Could we be reversing back up? Of course we could be. But it looks like a doji now though. The day just started 5 hours ago. It's not even 6 hours, right? Which means that we have another 19 hours to go before we close the daily candle. So we're not entirely sure what's going to happen over here first, right? But the previous day was pretty bearish. If you look at a weekly candlestick, this is still bearish, which means that potentially there could still be more downside for Sol BTC. If we were to drop all the way back down, we will be engulfing, not exactly engulfing, but we'll be taking out this big green candlestick for the month, So yeah, it could be a bearish engulfing on a month. But again, we'll see how it goes first though. It's only the 8th of January, so yeah, we'll take things one step at a time. We're still in a bullish trend. We still remain with our bullish bias for Sol BTC. Against USD, here we are for Sol. Still a bullish trend? Yes. Still more upside? Yes. How much higher? Yeah, there's a resistance area here at around 160 or $88. So more upsides to be expected. Looks to me like a 3-wave move down. Is this it? Could we drop a bit lower to this noisy area before bouncing back? Sure, of course we can. Again, we're not entirely sure yet. What's happening over here? Is this the end? Are we going to see lower? Again, no strong opinions on Solana. XRP against BTC. Here we are for XRP. Look at this. We were saying that very likely we'll sweep these lows, right? And we've already swept these 2 lows. See, we smell danger for XRP, and so we just don't take the risk of going long. Could we still head lower for XRP BTC? Yeah, we're saying that there's a noisy area over here, so we'll probably drop towards this level, I would say. Right. So XRP is a no-go, not at this point of time. Against USD, here we are for XRP. Okay, USD is a bit scary. Look at this mountain range. Oh my god. This whole thing looks like a potential A, up B, down C. 16 cents. We still have our 16 cents target, right? But we've already removed it. If XRP could just drop lower, right? Head and shoulders. Drop lower, hit all the targets. That's it. We go back up. But it was postponed. It just kept going higher and higher and higher. It's like, yeah, but it's a very slow crawl. We don't want to see these kind of moves, right? For XRP, we want to see these kind of moves. Look at this. We want to see these kind of moves for XRP. Woohoo! Right. We don't want to see this kind of move. This is still slow. We don't want this. It's very slow. No. We want fast moves. Fast moves like this. Woo! Anyway, moving on would be, where's this? Cardano! ADA against BTC. It was BTV. BTC, ADA. Okay, yeah, we came back down under the scalping line. This is not good. We had high hopes, right? When it was here, I was like, hey, we could be consolidating to go higher. But eventually, it got slapped back down. It's like, yo, bro, what's this? We've made so much effort to go above the scalping line. Now we're back down. So, it's not good. It's not good. Yeah, we observed a double bullish divergence over here. But, yeah, again, no strong opinions on ADA BTC. For the short term, for the big term, yeah, we're expecting a ABCD completion, right? But now that we've already crossed the skinny pink line, I suspect we could still drop lower though. We could still take out these lows. No guarantees. So again, we'll take things one step at a time for AWBDC. Against USD, we're still above the skinny pink line. So yeah, we have a target over here. $1.25. More upside? Yeah, very likely. Are we gonna close with a hammer? Again, just 5 hours. So we're gonna have to take things one step at a time for ADA USD. Any clear chart patterns? Yeah, it came here. Right. Mountains. Slap back down. One more? Oh, that's it. We're not too sure. But ADA is really weak compared to BTC. It's pretty weak. So yeah. 125. Very likely this could be whole thing is a wave 1. We're in the midst of completing a wave 2 and then a wave 3. Wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. We might overshoot 125 though, to maybe like 160 maybe. Again, can't say for sure, but the hard target is 125. So if we were to take a trade for ADA, we're getting off the elevator at 125. AVAX against BTC. Anything for AVAX? No. Should they buy more meme coins? I don't know. Buy them low, don't buy them high. AVAX against BTC is still above the skinny pink line. Yes, sir. This was a very strong move that came. So that's why we have more wiggle room compared to ADA. You see that? We still haven't touched the skinny pink line. So the bullish trend is still on. And we're still buyers bullish for AVAX. And we still expect more upside for AVAX BTC eventually. And this is going to be good for AVAX USD. But again, we would love it if there was some consolidation first before heading higher for AVAX BTC. AVAX against USD. Here we are for AVAX USD. Clearly above the skinny pink line. Clearly in a bullish trend. So more upside is to be expected. How much more? $70. Right now we're at 32. So another 100% maybe. But I don't see any bullish reversal candlesticks yet. We want to see a hammer. Hammer means more upside. This is not a hammer. Yesterday was not a hammer. Day before was not a hammer. Red. No greens yet. Right. We want to see some buying pressure coming in. Where is the buying pressure? We might get it today though. Again, we just started the day for 5 hours. So we'll see how it goes, right? On the weekly, it's not good. The weekly is bearish engulfing over here. So bearish engulfings are bearish reversal chart patterns. So that's why we're seeing big selling happening. Does this look like a bearish chart pattern? No. Again, we just started a week, 5 hours. The previous week is not good though. So you would anticipate more downside. We want to see big green candlesticks. Will we get it this week? It remains to be seen. So again, be very careful about rushing in for AVAX. I don't think it's a good idea to open shorts here. And longs, again, we have no confirmation yet. So we're going to be patient and wait for more information first before committing into a trade for Avalanche. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.